Hey, Jonathan here with ScreenSteps, and I have a question for you. Do you find it difficult to document instructions clearly? I know I do. For several years now, I've had to write digital guides for customers who use our software as a service product called ScreenSteps. These guides provide step-by-step instructions to answer all of our end users' day-to-day questions. So, how do we know that these guides are working? Well, it boils down to two key indicators. First, is there an increase or decrease of how-to questions coming into support? Now, I write guides for customer self-service, but whether you're supporting customers or employees who need to do internal operations, you'll know that your digital guides aren't working when you see an increase in chat messages, emails, and phone calls asking you questions about what to do or how to do it. The second key indicator your digital guides are falling short is when you're noticing people are making more mistakes. Now, when I see customer support tickets coming in because customers who were following our guides configured something incorrectly, or they're getting an error message, well, we know that our instructions weren't very clear. When it comes to internal operations, you'll know your guides aren't clear if you keep seeing low QA scores, or keep getting questions from coworkers asking why they are getting error messages. It may seem oversimplified, but that's it. Those are the two key indicators to watch out for when you're wondering whether your guides are working. Now, luckily, you can always make updates and improvements to your guides so that they work in your favor again. If you want to learn how to write clearer guides, check out our other video where we show you 3 principles for writing digital guides that help end users avoid mistakes and work independently.